got a straw? You were scared you're going to spill it, or what was the vibe?
Andrew, give me a straw.
Did you need a straw?
No, but it's kind of fun, though.
It is Cocktail Friday. What's the drink of choice? Well, not of choice, voted on by you guys.
Yep. This is the Mojito. Can we get a round of applause? Woo! Yeah.
Thank you. It's delicious.
It's really
it's
good.
Refreshing.
Yeah.
You know, I wish it was a little hotter outside, but.
Yeah, mojitos are like my go-to drink at the beach. It's like a perfect beach drink. Really, really good.
If you missed, sorry, chewing nice, ASMR. If you missed voting on this one, we'll do it again next week. We're going to install this. And basically, you have to follow us on Instagram, and you can input your favorite drink of choice. And then on Twitter, on Thursday, we'll put up a poll, and that will determine what drink we actually make. Mojito won. Thanks for everyone who voted.
It's probably a good thing.
It's a great way to end the week.
Probably a good thing vodka Red Bull didn't win, but we would have been having a good time, let me tell you.
Your heart would have been like, wah! That's Bryce's drink of choice, if anyone's surprised. Like, I'm not surprised at all. That's his favorite drink.
It's the perfect way to go out and let loose. No, because for me, like, alcohol makes me kind of tired. You know what I mean? Because I don't...
There's like the valley of like despair you got to get through.
Right, yeah, but like, for me, I don't... If I'm just going to like casually drink, it's going to tire me out more than anything. So if I'm going to go crazy, I might as well be really amped up the whole time. You know what I mean? That's kind of my thought process.
That's wild. Wild thought process.
Every now and then, work.
You're here for a
play
good
hard,
time.
work harder.
Yes.
Play hard, work harder.
I like that, but there's another phrase that is, you're here for a good time, not a long time.
I think it was George Strait who once said, I ain't here for a long time. I'm here for a good time. So
George Strait, Bryce Dewey.
I ain't here for a long time. I'm here for a good time. George Strait, Bryce Dewey. I'm losing my voice quite bad.
Just hang that over your bed at night.
George Strait is performing at ACL.
Oh,
yeah,
that's cool. I forgot about that.
I know. I'm really excited. I'm making sure to go the day he's there. I'll sing along to that song.
All right, let's hop into some trades here. How'd you do today?
I took one trade today.
I think that's a round of applause. Let's get the people going. One trade.
And I kind of actually want to talk about my experience today because
let loose.
Yeah, man. Like, I will.
What happened to you? I know it started out, a series of unfortunate events, one might say.
Yeah. So this morning, I went out last night, but the problem was I couldn't remember where I parked my car because I was in the city, and I'm normally not in the city. Then I found it. I was up, by like 6:45, 7 o'clock. So, 2 hours.
You couldn't find where you parked your car at your house?
No, I was downtown.
You stayed downtown?
I stayed downtown.
In a hotel?
With a friend. And then when I found my car, I had a flat tire. So I had to put the spare on, and then I got it plugged because I was like, I already missed the market open at this point. Might as well just go get it plugged. And thank God, because I got to my screen probably an hour after market opened. I didn't see anything I liked. And I was like, and I saw a bunch of opportunities where I would have lost money right out of it. I know I would have taken the trades, and it was kind of a blessing. And I sat down and something just finally clicked. And I'm like, this is kind of really nice. Like,
it was a trading awakening.
Yeah, it was. I didn't feel any need to force a trade. At the very end of the day, I took,
we'll pull it up.
Yeah, we'll pull it up. I took one trade today. It was a runner from yesterday here. Yeah, it was a runner yesterday, gapped up pre-market, and it held really well. It is a higher float, not trading a ton of volume, but it was a super clean, a little slower play. I took 1,500 shares somewhere in like the low to mid 19s, sold up in the 1970s.
In this area?
Up there. I actually did take it again right at 1960, but then literally I clicked buy and you go, you ready to film small cap recap? And I was like, all right, yeah, I guess. So I sold that for
He sold for you guys.
Sold for you guys, and honestly, it was going to be a slow mover. More likely than not, this probably turns into like a swing for tomorrow, and I don't want to swing it. Monday. Yeah, whatever. I say tomorrow if it's Friday. You get it. Tomorrow's trading day is Monday. Yep. But no, I liked the chart a lot. It was super easy. Can you pull up VWAP? It did the same pattern I talked about that I like talking about. It had, there you go, recovered VWAP. Although it never really, it did have that big spike out of the gates. Yeah. Held VWAP most of the day. Then it dipped under, recovered, low volume. Bid props started showing up in the 1910s. Just rode that trend up. It felt pretty nice.
I like this buy here.
That was my favorite, but I just simply, it's too late in the day. And so if you go back to the daily real quick. Mm-hmm. Not a lot of volume today. And it's testing a pretty key breakout, like right that 19, that $20 area.
Yeah,
I don't think I don't think it's got enough volume to do it today, which is why I think if it's going to hold up Monday, I'll definitely be watching it.
That could be just not a big home run trade by any means, but an easy,
a nice double, an easy double.
Yeah, like you're gonna have the good risk. That's why I liked mid caps. There was like a solid period of time. That's all I traded. I don't even know, 2019 maybe.
The risk reward was so easy. I got my 2-to-1.
That's what makes these way easier. Because if you go to my trade, PALT here, this thing just sucks.
I know, dude.
So actually, I was feeling a little gambly, and I did buy some shares yesterday after hours, like right here.
Oh, wow.
Because after we did our small cap recap, I was like, oh, I like this chart a lot. Scooped some shares up. I wanted like 57 or 58 was my average. Ended up selling right here. So I made $1 a share on 1,000 shares. I was up $1,000. Then I was watching it for a dip and rip out of the gate. I actually ended up buying on this wick right here.
I would have gotten faked out there too.
Totally faked out. Because it dipped right like I thought, curled back up, did absolutely everything I could have asked. Bought it, and then it just totally faked, slammed down, ended up selling into the break of low day at the time right here. And I was like, because my brother trades with us in the office now. He was like, well, what if it's a play later? And I was like, it might be in an hour. And sure enough, 10 minutes later after I said that, like just ripped, dumped. This was just like some manipulation, total crap.
Yeah.
Like that's not the halt up. I don't think it actually halted up, but ripped up, then the halt down. Like there was some funny business going on there. Which, I mean, is pretty much why, like, when my brother asked, I was like, yeah, an hour, because, like, it just failed this dip and rip. I wanted to just chill. Like, it totally could be a play over 1250, and then did this crap, and obviously the rest of the day just died.
So are those your only 2 technical trades on it?
Yeah, unfortunately, I just had more shares on this one, because I was kind of... And
it was nice.
Yeah, so $1,200 loss here, which all in all puts me down $200 on the day, which I'm more than okay with. You just hate when a play just stuffs on you like that. That sucks.
Yeah, no, it does. But notice, you know what? Notice the difference today. Not from Matt, but the losses are like super, like we were talking about this. A lot of the good traders right now are using pretty small size.
Yeah.
The market, it's not the same volatility. The volatility only comes in at the key level. And then after that, it just, look at that. The volume dropped off hardcore the rest of the day.
We talked about Tim Grittani today.
Yeah.
He took like 5 trades all of last month, but had a great month.
Yeah, amazing month.
And he didn't even use crazy big size. Because he's like a swing trader now in his, old age, which he's super young still. But he just CEI was one, FAMI was one. He bought the breakouts with like reasonable size for someone in his position.
Yeah.
Which is bigger size than like some we should take, probably you should take, depending on what you want to risk here. And he swung it and he made like multi 6 figures on a couple of these trades. And it only took 5 the whole month and just
I don't know. Today
simple.
Yeah, today it was just, and I'm gonna like say this again because of how important it is, but like for me, when I start off red, it's unfortunately a lot of traders, including myself, you want to get a win. Mm-hmm. And then you end up taking full-size losses over and over because you're trading chop, you're not trading the greatest setups. And today when I didn't trade, I actually felt a lot more comfortable using a smaller risk at the end of the day. I traded with like a $300 risk. Cheers. Yeah, cheers. I'm really happy with how I traded today. Well, the lack thereof. So yeah, no, let me finish this bad boy off.
First of all, whoever recommended the mojito,
fantastic.
Multiple people on Instagram, like, well done. What a way to end a Friday. It's not too hard.
That's what she said.
You can dress him up, but you can't take him out. I don't know what to say. Like, unbelievable.
Let's hey, do you want to real quick start of the month? Let's go through like some really quick. Just go through the charts of like CEI, a couple of the like big runners maybe to keep on watch. ATER maybe I don't remember what ATER did today.
All right, rapid fire him.
Yeah, rapid fire. Yeah, really needed to close above the 350 level.
ATER, you said?
Yeah, I can't remember what that was doing. It was trying to bounce yesterday. It's holding up.
One I saw today. Since we're doing this, we're running.
Yeah, PSRU.
PSRU. I was like, man, we're getting pretty close to first screen.
First screen day for sure. I like
today,
that.
But totally failed. But you got this nice base now on like a 2-day basis here.
Oh, can we go through? And I'm sorry, I know we're going to be blasting these people with a little bit of knowledge on our Cocktail Friday. I'm feeling a little good now. I'm feeling a little loose.
Oh, you're feeling loose. Watch out.
Go to those weird ones. Like there's TMC, IRNT.
TMC?
Yep. These are, and I'm just kind of, so these were ones that a lot of people were asking about, like first green day. These are literally the sketchiest companies that
it's like Jizzin.
Yes. Yeah. It's the same
How's
chart.
that one doing? Oh my God, it's at 2.
Yeah, man.
Holy shnikes.
And look at the volume the other day. That's the bounce that they get. Like these just simply don't have first green days right now. These types of IPO stocks, type in EZGO, EZGO. It was the same thing as JZXN.
That's so bad.
I know, dude. Like these are brutal. Is that as far? Oh, okay. That's not.
For there, but.
No. Oh, there it is. Yep.
Yep.
Like 20-2. The other one was like 40-2. So like, be careful trying to find bottoms on these because everyone's like, oh, it can't go much lower. Support. No. It can go 100% lower from where it's at right now. Actually, like it's
50%.
What's that? No.
Math wizard. 100% lower is at 0.
Yes, it can go there. Is what I'm saying.
It's not going to go 0. They'll reverse split
or like get delisted. I've seen a couple of them.
Which one?
We went to an OTC. Or no, that was LWLG that uplisted. Hold on.
I did like that chart. Let's get a quick. Yeah, one more stock before we close her out here, Timmy. Oh, the breakout failed too. Like that was such an.
I know.
At this level, this was such a nice breakout.
Honestly, no. The move though, the move was
6 red days down. That's horrible.
The move was there. That was the day.
I know, but say you bought this breakout.
Oh no, it still
gapped
failed
down this day for no reason.
It still failed.
That's when the SPY got down really hard. But.
Oh yeah. Oh, okay. Last one. Pull up the SPY. Be careful.
This is the last ticker of Cocktail Friday.
Yep.
The overall market. The S&P
it bounced a bit, but this is getting a little. This is getting a little scary.
It's flirting with some fire.
Yeah, it is. It is.
Okay. Look at this.
You got to keep it in perspective.
Right. This run is just redonk-a-donk.
In my opinion,
Don't be calling me handsome. I'm
not a market bear. I'm a bull on the market, but you cannot expect. What did that go from 220s to 450? Like it's 100% move in a year and a half on the SPY, on the U.S. stock market has increased in value by 100% in a year and a half. It's going to have
right. But if you look at this, like hypothetically, I'm gonna try to put my hand up here. You take out the COVID dip. I don't know how close I was, Andrew. I'm sorry. I was good. I got it. If you take out the COVID dip, like. It looks kind of normal.
It absolutely does.
It's just when you factor in the COVID dip, this rebound is insane.
And you have to factor in, like, trust me, like you said, it looks great without the COVID dip, but it's still, like, that's still dipped. You know what I mean? Like, that happened. So, like, don't be surprised. Normally, COVID was different when the market was tanking. Small caps got wildly hot. Mm-hmm. This time, I'm not saying it's going to crash like that, but I've noticed when the SPY is red, small caps are a lot slower, like it used to be. When the market's slow, small caps are slow. So like just be cautious, be careful. You know what I mean? Obviously, like do your due diligence, dude. Oh, I hate when people say that on Twitter. Hate that. Yeah, agreed. Like
that's the worst.
It's the word. It's the terminology. That's all. But no, like just be careful. It's probably, I don't know what you're supposed to always be able to account for like a 10% dip in the market. So
wild times.
Wild times for sure. Hopefully we have some hot months coming up. I think October today was pretty slow, very slow, but who knows? Anything's possible. All we need is some sector momentum, real sector momentum. I'm waiting for it, man. I'm waiting for it.
It'll come.
It'll come around. Yeah, it will.
Always does.
So sit on your hands, stay patient, keep your risk in check. Don't feel forced to trade.
Andrew?
And what?
Cheers to the cocktail. Andrew's got a drink of the day too. We didn't forget about him.
No, we did not.
What they got to do before they make their own mojito at home, enjoy their Friday nights? What are the steps they got to do before they leave this page?
Yeah, guys, just like, subscribe, comment below. Our goal is 100,000 subscribers by the end of this year, and so it's October. It's getting close, and so we're trying to
let's make it happen.
That goal.
Yes, sir.
And again, I'm going to keep asking this until we get a good enough vote. We're going to need some costume ideas for small cap recap on Halloween.
Okay.
I still think Garth and Wayne from Wayne's World.
Just drop some comments.
Yeah.
We'll collect them. We'll see what happens.
Good
we got
duo.
some time.
Things we can do as a duo.
We got some time, but pumpkin spice is in the air, everybody.
It is, yeah. I love holiday season. I love the holiday season. It's October. We're ready to go, guys. Let's to start the month. This is what we're closing out on. Let's trade well, small size, respect risk, and just go for the consistency over the gains.
Cheers to that, brother.
Cheers to that. I'm all out.
Andrew.
Cheers,
my guy.
Cheers, my guy. Everybody, happy Friday. Happy start to October. And we will see you back here next week on Monday. And yeah, I'm excited for October. I hope you guys are too.
Cheers to you.
Cheers.
Enjoy.
We hope you guys enjoyed that last video. Thanks so much for watching and being a part of the StocksTrade community. We wouldn't be here without you guys. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Our goal is to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year, but we can't do it without your help. So if you enjoy what we're putting out and want to hear more, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video.